In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to clean your shower with the best shower cleaner I have ever used in 17 years of cleaning professionally. This literally melts away soap scum like butter. The method I will be demonstrating is good for fiberglass showers, plastic showers, and acrylic showers. Let's get into the transformation. The first thing I'm doing here is spraying the shower liberally with this cleaner. Then I'm going to let it sit, I'm going to let it dwell for 5 to 10 minutes. That dwell time is critical because it will loosen up all that body grease, all that soap scum, making it super easy, almost effortless to remove it. You'll also notice I'm wearing a respirator here, and that is optional. You just do what works best for you. I just wear the respirator because I clean for a living and I'm constantly around fumes, and so it's just some extra added protection for the old lungs. I also want to mention that you only need a strong cleaning product like this one when a shower is heavily soiled like this one. Once the shower has been cleaned, you can maintain it, whether you clean it once a week or you clean it once every 2 weeks, you can maintain it with a more natural homemade DIY cleaner. But if you try to clean a shower like this with a natural cleaning product, you'll end up breaking your back scrubbing it, because you'll end up having to clean it multiple times. Basically, you'll spray it down, you'll scrub, you'll rinse, and then there'll still be gunk in the shower. And then you'll spray again, and you'll scrub, and then rinse, and there'll still be gunk in the shower. And what'll happen is you'll end up removing all that stuff in layers and layers, and it'll end up taking you 5 times longer to get the job done with a natural cleaning product. Whereas when something is as heavily soiled as this, that's why you need a strong degreaser that we're using in this video. But look at how easy the stuff is coming off. It just melts away like butter. This is a Scotch-Brite sponge, and this is what I'm using to scrub with. And here is the cleaning product that I'm using. It's called Super Clean, right? Love the purple bottle. You can purchase this from Walmart in the car detailing section. They don't sell it in the cleaning section. You have to go to automotive. You can also purchase this at AutoZone. Also, I'll leave this product listed and linked down below for you if you prefer to do your shopping online. And as you can see, you look at the back of the bottle here, it's safe for fiberglass, which is the type of shower that I'm cleaning in this video. Also, feel free to wear gloves if that makes you feel better. For some people, this is a very disgusting job, and it just gives them the ickies, you know. One of the comments I receive a lot on this channel is, Tommy, why don't you wear gloves? Put on gloves, you know, and some people are just utterly outraged. And honestly, it's just personal preference, you know. Why don't I wear gloves? The answer is pretty simple. It's just because I wash my hands afterwards. I'm not giving myself facial massages. I don't touch my face when I'm doing this. And that's one of the reasons, but really the primary reason why I don't wear gloves when I clean is because, quite frankly, I clean better without gloves because it allows me to feel the soil with my hands. So if I miss something, well, I'm going to feel it with my hands. And so if I need to do a little extra scrubbing on this section or that section, that's what I do. And so it's personal preference. But to each his own. If wearing gloves makes you feel better, then please, by all means, wear you some gloves when you're cleaning your shower. After all the scrubbing is finished, rinse away all that dirt and grime and check out the finished product, right? We have a clean shower. And that, my friends, is the easiest way to clean a heavily soiled shower like this one. If you want to know how to polish up, shine, and remove those hard water spots that like to get on that chrome, click the video on the screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.